While I've been waiting for the bonnet to come back for the Escort, I've spent this week building this side of the trim, polishing everything up, all the door jambs, and fitted the sill pad and trims. All the doors been built, and that's no small mission. All the dash trim, the leather inserts are back in. All the chrome work is back on the doors, and more importantly, the door shuts really nice. I've also put the exterior trim on and got all the side trim out of storage, cleaned all the concrete off the back, and refitted all that with the inserts, the hubcaps and embellishers are on, and both sides are now complete. There's nothing left to put on there. Next job is going to be the windscreen, and then I can put the interior trimming. The bonnet is coming back today. It's Friday, and I want to get that polished because it's coming straight off the gun from the paint shop. I'm going to get that polished and get it back on the car early next week, and then get the stripes fitted to the Escorts. But I'm pleased with the outcome on the 230 SL. It's really starting to look like a car again. I suppose when I start doing the interior, I'll clean everything, the carpets and everything will be clean before they go back in. But I can't do that till the windscreen's done, so I'm either looking at getting it professionally fitted or decide whether I want to do it myself. You know, I'm capable of doing it, so why not? But no, the paint shop have booked the remaining paint in, and that should be done over the next 2 weeks, and then I'll let that cure. I can flat and polish those parts, the boot lid, tonneau cover, the air duct for the heater, and fresh air vents, and the bonnet. So it's all coming together, and it's been a really productive week on this car. It's not a 5-minute job. I knew it wasn't going to be because I've done the other side, but very satisfying to see it going back together. I'm going to try and get this done as soon as I can. Obviously any time I have in between polishing is spent on this, so you know, it is getting done. It's just a slow process really. But there you have it. That's this week's work up until now, Friday dinner time. I've just finished polishing the embellishers again and the hubcaps, and the bonnet should be back by 1 o'clock today, so I'm just going to get myself ready for that. So there you have this week's work. Doesn't look like a lot's happened, but it has been more work than it looks like, as usual. But it will look pretty when it's finished, and then it'll be ready for sale. And as most of you can see by the prices, they're going through the roof. So the owner might be pleasantly surprised at what it's worth. Right then, I'll see you when I start the bonnet.